Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Sarah. This is No BS Beauty. Today this video is brought to you by me. I'm currently working on updating our website, so YouTube can be kind of confusing. So if you've ever wondered if I've reviewed a product, you can check out the website, nobsbeauty.com. We're adding all of our history of reviews there, so every day we're adding more. So check it out. Let me know what you think. Yeah, it'll be kind of cool. So slowly working on it and getting it up to date with all of my reviews. So, okay, for today, I thought I would talk about my predictions for skincare and beauty trends for 2026. And I'm more talking skincare than beauty because skincare, I guess, would be what I consider my wheelhouse. But in terms of like makeup trends and things like that, I don't follow them too much. Especially now that my eyes have been so dry, I haven't done anything with it. Somebody the other day said, you know, you should use more eye makeup. I'm like, I will when my eyes aren't feeling like terrible. So yeah, it's super dry this winter. I fired up the humidifier, got that going. But yeah, so anyway, I love eye makeup and mascara. I love it. But yeah, not when this is going on. So okay, so my predictions for 2026. And I think I looked over 2025's predictions. I actually think I was pretty spot on with them. Not to brag or anything, but anyway, so I think my predictions for 2026 will probably hold true. So I've got thoughts on PDRN. So every brand is launching a PDRN product these days. PDRN, it's everywhere. I'll link to a couple new products. Klairs just released their PDRN Bouncy C Serum, which it says formulated with 100,000 patented PDRN ingredients. It also contains 3 types of plant-based PDNR and 5 types of vitamin C serum. Cosrx just released a handful of PDRN products as well. They've got their Collagen Intense Vitalizing Serum, which contains 5 different types of PDRN from salmon, centella, rice, lactobacillus, and sea grape. I've never heard of sea grape. It sounds interesting. Sea grape. Okay. I'm going to check that out. But PDRNs, there's a lot of other brands that have PDRN product. REJURAN, it's got PDRN, Medicube, VT Cosmetics, which would be this guy. Anua, Skin 1004, everyone's got a PDRN product. PDRN are made of small DNA fragments. You usually see it listed on a product as sodium DNA, but they're usually from salmon. They're highly purified, compatible with human skin. They're broken down into small sizes so your skin cells can absorb it. What it claims it does is help speed barrier repair, helps improve barrier recovery, reduces inflammation, so it'd be ideal to use after like laser procedures, microneedling, things like that. Reduces redness and inflammation, supports collagen production. So again, ideal after lasers, peels, microneedling, things like that. I think we'll continue to see this PDRN show up everywhere. Honestly, so far I'm not overly impressed with it, but I do need to do more testing on each of these, so I will report back. Okay, next up, Exosomes will continue to be popular and more popular. We're seeing Exosomes in everything. Plated, that's kind of their guy is platelets, so they use Human Platelet Extract, which contains Exosomes. They actually plated sources, their platelets are strictly from FDA-regulated donation banks in the United States. Once the short window for transfusion, so if the blood isn't going to be used in a transfusion, it's not of use any longer. It has a short lifespan. After that, they use this to take the platelets and then process it and isolate their exosomes from this. And they say they undergo rigorous testing to ensure total purity. So plated with this is their intense serum. It claims it helps with dark spots, fine lines, wrinkles, and redness. It is expensive, so if you think SkinMedica is expensive, the TNS serum, this stuff is even more expensive. So, okay, so the SkinMedica, this is about $295. Looks big, ends up being 1 ounce. The plated, this is around, I think, $265 or $255, and this is a half an ounce. So, yeah. It's very expensive. I will say the people that use plated absolutely love it. I've got a couple of friends that use it and find it totally game-changing and amazing. So I've used it. I've finished their Calm Serum. I'm about halfway through this one. I just use it only where I have wrinkles. So I don't waste it anywhere else. I just use it around my mouth and around my eyes. In between my eyebrows, that's it, because I feel like it's so expensive, it's wasted. So the RevivSerum Ultimate Serum also uses exosomes, is actually reformulated to include that. So if you look, I'll link to this below. It says Ultimate Serum now with exosomes, so it's reformulated to include those. It uses exosomes derived from derived from bone marrow stem cells. It also contains peptides, growth factors, and antioxidants. So this one's worth checking out. This one's on the really affordable side. It's 1.7 ounces, and I think it's under $100 still. So they say exosomes stimulate collagen and elastin production in skin, which is the one thing when we get older, your skin stops slowly producing that, which is why your skin gets thinner and more wrinkles. So these exosomes carry growth factors and signal fibroblasts in your skin to increase collagen 1 and 3, and also improve elastin, and then which leads to firmer, thicker, more resilient skin. Most exosomes come from human stem cells, which is the most potent and the most regulated, which is why this is so expensive. It is expensive ingredient. I mean, when you look at some products where it's like a basic hyaluronic serum and they're charging $100 for it, that's ridiculous. Hyaluronic acid is cheap. Exosomes, platelets, all of this are not cheap. Exosomes can also come from plant stem cells, which are less potent. Depends on what country you live in as well. It can also come from synthetic or biomimic exosomes. And yeah, so they're all different. I've noticed the most benefits from exosomes that are human related, which most people will probably have the similar experience. So it's worth sometimes spending a little bit more depending on your budget. If it's out of your budget, don't do it, obviously. You can still use vitamin C, ascorbic acid to help produce collagen deep down your skin and retinoids and things like that. So you don't need to go into debt, but some of these products are great and they are expensive. So next up, NAD and NMN will continue to become more popular. So right at the beginning of the year, we saw Numbuzin release a NAD plus serum. So on Haru Wonder just came out with a NAD mist. So I just ordered that. So I'm excited. And I will link to that below. It contains a NAD. And then it's got some ferments in there. It looks like it's fragrance free. It's got ceramides, ginseng root, rice extract, all that good stuff. So I'm excited to try that. So NMN is a direct precursor to NAD plus. So which is why you will see them sometimes in the same product. Actually, this one, I will link to this one at Amazon and YesStyle. I think the Amazon version does not include the NMN. So, actually, you know what? I'm just going to link to this at YesStyle because the YesStyle version contains what you want. The US version is different. So cells convert NMN to NAD versus the enzymatic pathways. Makes it easier to deliver than NAD itself. NMN exists to replenish NAD, so they work kind of in conjunction to each other. So it aims to improve cellular energy, support DNA repair, especially after UV exposure, enhance barrier repair, reduce oxidative stress, antioxidant, and support healthier aging. So this is a favorite. Numbuzin also has this, which contains both of the trends, NAD and PDRN. So I think we'll continue to see this NAD pop up. So this is a glow boosting toner, which is NAD and PDRN. I love this stuff. I'm trying not to finish it too fast, but I'm really enjoying it, I have to say. Other exosomes. The Peach and Lily Mini Protein Exosome Serum is really nice too. Or ampule. It's an ampule. It's really nice. Actually, I'll put a little bit on. But it's this one's really nice for dry skin or for anti-aging purposes. It's got a lot of good peptides in there. It's really nice. No fragrance, any of that. Other predictions. So I predict more peptides. The more peptides, the better. I'm excited. I want to see Snap 8 show up in every peptide product in 2026. That would be amazing if we could have that happen. Can we do that? Okay. More barrier repair products. Those are always popular, barrier repairing products. Volufiline is now starting to show up in a lot of stuff these days. I just purchased the Deep Collagen Power Boosting Cream Serum. It's got Volufiline in it. Cosrx. The Ordinary just released their Volufiline serum. Tusuwang has a Volufiline serum. I've got them somewhere, but anyway, I think that will continue to be popular, and Sesderma will continue to make money on that. More AI in marketing ads, AI. Now I believe Sephora is using this almost exclusively on their website as AI. So a lot of their models are AI generated, which makes it hard to tell, does the product look greasy when you put it on? Is the product, is it makeup? Is it duochromatic? You know, how is the undertones? When it's all computer generated, how do you compare a powder or foundation to the next one, or an eyeshadow or a moisturizer? Is it greasy? Very difficult, and I think it'll continue. A lot of sites I'm noticing are using a lot of AI imagery. I'll notice occasionally scrolling through, oh, that lady's missing a hand. Okay, is that lady really missing a hand? I mean, it's possible she was born without a hand, or, you know, had an accident or something, but more it just looks like a glitch with AI. So I think we'll continue to see that. Oh, more peptides. The Medicaid one, I'm enjoying this one so far. So yeah, I think we'll continue to see all of that. So I'm curious what your predictions are for this upcoming skincare year or beauty trends or whatever. So leave your thoughts below. Yeah, so love hearing from you guys. Stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.